So hello everyone, today we're going to be showing you what's inside a computer, computer components, and 5 fun facts about the computers. So let's start with the front panel of a computer. In our front panel, we have USB, audio headphone jacks, and of course the CD drive. And if we go inside, we'll see the CD drive itself and then the hard disk drive tray. And so with that, let's dive into the computer and see each of the components and their functions. So, this is the CPU cooler. It consists of two parts, the heatsink and the fan. The heatsink draws heat away from the CPU using the copper pipes and the fins that you see on the screen. The fan uses airflow to push and dump away the heat that is gathered by the heatsink from the CPU. Okay, so next we're going to be taking the motherboard. Let me just okay, here. Okay, nice. So this is the motherboard. This is the part of the computer that connects all of the different components together, which allows them to run in unison. On the motherboard, we have different parts. First is the RAM slot. This is where you put the RAM. Next, we have the expansion slots. The expansion slots allow us to add more features to our computers, such as adding Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and etc. And then we have the CPU. Okay, let me just get that for you. Okay, now that's really crusty. Let's just clean it. Okay, now where was that? So, this is the CPU, the brain of the computer, if you will. The CPU is responsible for performing calculations, actions, and running programs. And as I said, it is the brain of the computer. And just like the brain of a human body, it also sends commands to other parts of itself. Okay, so here's the RAM. Wait, where's the RAM? Okay, now that I found the RAM, it is basically temporary storage that holds all the data that you're currently using. And for example, the movement of your mouse, the inputs of your keyboard, and most importantly, the pictures you see on Facebook. Now, let's move to one of the most important parts of a computer, the power supply. Without it, you wouldn't be able to watch your favorite TV show or even play your favorite game. Because this is the very thing that powers your CPU, your motherboard, your RAM, and everything on your computer. It connects to your components using these pins. Mine are proprietary, meaning they are not normal. Usually this would be a 24 pin and it would not have this thing. But mine came this way. And up next, we have expansion cards, or what you currently see on screen, a graphics card. Don't worry, these are broken. These are storage devices. The one you see on the left is an SSD, the one on the right an HDD. They both serve the same purpose, to store long-term data. So, fun fact, computers were originally designed for the military to help them compute for ballistic firing tables in their ENIAC system. Number 2. The earlier computers used to take up to a whole room of space. Fun fact number 3. The first mouse was made out of wood. Fun fact number 4. In the 1950s, computers were also called as electronic brains. And for the last fun fact, every month there's about 5,000 new viruses that are released.